The DigiFold Pro is an automatic creaser folder aimed at the professional digital or litho printer who needs to crease and fold digitally printed stocks, or stocks that are heavy or cross-grained. Some rotary scoring machines use circular blades that actually cut through the top fibres of the paper to create a score. This weakens the sheet and encourages cracking. The Morgana DigiFold Pro, however, uses the unique Dynacrease creasing rule and matrix, which eliminates tearing and cracking. The Dynacrease is guaranteed for life and delivers an accuracy of plus or minus 0.1 of a millimetre. Using the Dynacrease mechanism, the DigiFold Pro is able to run at over 6,000 A4 sheets per hour. This increases when running smaller sheets. The DigiFold Pro is controlled by a 7-inch smart screen panel. This means all the operator has to do is to key in the sheet length and which crease fold scheme to produce. All settings are made automatically. The DigiFold Pro can store an unlimited number of jobs for repeat work in the alphanumeric memory. Maximum sheet size handled by the DigiFold Pro is 700 by 385 mm, or, with the optional extension table, 900 by 385 mm. The new Morgana PosiFeed system is included as standard on the DigiFold Pro. This stops the drum to let the vacuum pull down the sheet before the drum starts to feed. This enables the feeder to be piled high and to feed difficult stocks easily. A wide range of stocks can be handled with a simple adjustment of roller pressures. A crease skew adjustment dial can compensate for slightly non-square sheets. There are no conventional buckle plates on the DigiFold Pro. Instead, the machine uses Morgana's large diameter patented electronically controlled contoured flying knife. This has been developed to prevent scuffing and marking on digital stocks. The DigiFold Pro can be used as an integrated creaser folder, performing both functions in a single pass, or as a standalone creaser when folding isn't required, or as a perforator when creasing or folding are not required.